Hi everyone, Michael from Bling Tea. It is summer, so we are making a tea frothy. It's our little version of a frothy. It's a Tea-Zay, let's call it. Very, very easy to make. You can take this recipe and add to it and subtract to it and make any kind of changes that you like. But it is very easy. Excuse the noise. 1 cup of ice into your blender, and we are adding 2 cups of organic elderberry hibiscus. And organic elderberry hibiscus is an herbal that has a nice mix of elderberry and hibiscus, which sort of gives this little sweet tart interplay. It's got an amazing aroma to it. So adding 2 cups of that, 1 cup of fresh strawberries, lots of fresh strawberries, and let's see, we're gonna just sweeten it up just a little touch with 2 teaspoons rather of honey. So just pop that in there and get some goop all over the place. And then we're going to amp it up a little bit further with an ounce or 2 of vodka. Gin would also work really well in this drink. Pop on the top. It's this easy. And give it a good mix, give it a good whirl. Done, and that was easy, wasn't it? So now to give it a try, it looks like a Tea-Zay. Let's see what it tastes like. This looks good as it's going into the glass already. Pop that over there. Look at how glorious and red and foamy and frothy it is. It's just so tempting. It looks so lovely. You can pop on a little strawberry or slice of orange as a garnish. And let's give it a taste. Oh, wonderful. It has this really nice flavor to it. The elderberry and hibiscus, the strawberries, a little bit of honey, a little bit of vodka. You don't have to put the vodka in there, but it just does give a bit of an option. It's perfect for outdoor entertaining. I hope you give it a try. Check it out on the Bling Tea blog at blingtea.com. If you have any recipe ideas, send them along. We'd like to give them a try. Thanks, and have a great day.